Nairobi is the dirtiest city in East Africa now, currently as I'm talking. A city of hawkers, a city of riders, a city of matatus, a city of poor pavement, buildings which have never seen paint, no drainage system, no traffic lights. We still have police officers on the road in Nairobi. In this age, this time of that age, if you go to Mombasa, the gateway of this country for tourism and everything, that is the filthiest city in the world. And these two cities, Mombasa and Nairobi, is led by young people. This is when you tell me about young people, oh, we want young people. Hopeless. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.